thing is, in the next 6 months, I'm tearing down all those properties.
Please don't tell me that. I don't want to have to move.
Yeah, but unfortunately,
Because I can't afford to move.
yeah, unfortunately, it's gonna have to be torn down.
We're just getting some gas, but now we're going to see a property that Yanni owns. We got some issues with some tenants. We got to go see what's going on. As they say, tenants, termites, and toilets. That's what you get when you own property.
We have a meeting here. I am the landlord.
Yeah. All right, how are you?
Can we all get in? Come.
Everybody's coming in?
Yes.
Okay. This window's broken here. It's been broken since we moved here.
When did you move here?
23 years ago.
You understand that we're gonna tear down the property in like 6 months to...
Oh, I didn't know
to a year.
when. Nobody told us when.
Yeah.
The inspector said it needs to be open. Why?
That
I have no
it's
idea.
It has possibility to open as well.
Yeah.
But now it doesn't open.
No, it doesn't. I
Got
think they painted it shut.
Oh, I got it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, so that's an easy fix.
Yeah.
Kitchen, repair, replace all damaged floor, underlayment and covering.
So it means that, right?
Yeah.
Lo que el inspector dijo es repair, replace, repaint all damaged wood. Family room, repair damaged carpet.
Yeah. Let's go back there.
I think that's said in this unit, right, ma'am?
Yeah.
Is that it?
Also, just the windows, 2 windows,
Is
the floor in the
flooring
kitchen, the floor here.
and under the sink.
Here.
We're done with this unit.
Yeah,
And
that's it. That's it.
They know we're coming, right? The other...
Oh yeah, they know. Yeah,
Yeah,
they're
yeah.
waiting for you.
Okay,
You're
good.
taking notes, ¿verdad?
Just be careful with the smell.
Oh, it smells there.
You see, no, you go.
Alright, let me know if you need me to help talk to your client.
So, no, I'll figure it out.
What I sent you is all the information we have that they inquired about a construction loan from one of our Facebook ads. And then it tells you like what their relevant experience is.
She keeps emailing me. I'm like, can you confirm the loan amount? And the last email she goes, yeah, we usually can do it. Send me the full docs and I can da 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 da. Should I? Yeah, I know. No.
No, based on the email that she sent, it said 10 million, which means 4 million is going to be rehab, so it's going to be 6 million on the purchase, which is like,
Not enough, I told her.
yeah,
But the question, if you want me to keep looking,
I don't know. That looks like a really tough deal. Like to do luxury fix and flip in this type of market right now, like it's extremely difficult. Which gives me the feeling that this borrower has unrealistic expectations. We need go-getters like Lynette telling title what's up. Like we were waiting on title for this deal for the last 4 days, and it wasn't until today where I emailed them again, and then Lynette called. If we didn't do anything, they would have just been like
They would have
taking
sat
their
there for
sweet
another
time.
2 days and done something else. Everything is a learning experience, right, Johnny?
How
How many learning experiences did you go through to get to where you're at?
Here's how I look
It's all
at
a
this business.
learning experience, everything here.
I look at this business like this. When I started out, right, my first year in the business, I thought, all right, you know what? My first year in the business, this is training. If I get paid, then it's paid training. Great.
Very true.
That's
Very
how I looked
true.
at it. Because
Yeah.
I had so many.
And every time you make
Yeah.
a mistake, the more mistakes you make, it's great because now you learn.
No,
how to do it
definitely.
again. If every file goes perfect, you'll never learn. You'll think everything is
Never.
perfect
That's
and
true.
everything you're not going to learn.
Yeah.
We have to go through these challenging
I've
files.
lost plenty of deals for small mistakes that I could have corrected, but I didn't know at the time. I would get really upset about the smallest
You
things.
would get so
like,
mad every
about any
file.
little thing.
is it
Like,
because we care about the borrower or it's just, I don't know. I
no,
feel
it's
maybe-
because when you're starting out, you're not seasoned enough to know how many issues come with the deals that we
Oh
have.
my God, exactly.
Because when you get used to it, then it's just like whatever. It's like,
Hello.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Hi. Good. We're just trying to get some stuff out.
Here, all the windows, and then in the kitchen flooring, service room.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Oh, I can't see because it's so dark.
So windows. We need to take
¿Quieres
everything out.
pasar?
You guys understand that in like 6 months from now, I'm going to tear down this property. Okay, I'm just confirming that information so you'll know.
No, I know.
You have a place to move already? You thinking of
I'm
something?
still in the process of looking.
Call 1-800-803-1590.
This is an important message for Medicare.
The inside itself, it had a big bubble.
Also the toilet that shakes.
Oh,
Whatever's underneath there is not going to hold the toilet.
And no matter what you do to it, I don't care what, it really doesn't, I can't get it to stay off.
Not so bad.
Oh, I got doing it.
This property is going to be teared down in the next 6 months.
I heard it, yes.
So if you can do whatever to last for the next few months, that's fine. How the hell did they survive like this all this time? Living like this. This is not a joke, guys. There's older people living here, and they've been living here for over 30 years.
That's what it is. And I'll end up tattooing that. I feel like it just.
That's Yanni's favorite line. I tell Yanni about a problem I have with the deal, and he's like, "It's what it is." Like,
Yeah.
I'm okay with fixing it. It is what it is. It is what it is.
you gotta figure it out. Solve the problem.
All right, so we wanted to see exactly what the city wants.
Right.
It's like a palace comparing to the other units.
Especially the middle one.
Oh my God.
Are you gonna do something about that middle house?
The thing is, in the next 6 months, I'm tearing down all this
Oh,
property.
please don't
So
tell me that. I don't want to have to move.
yeah, but
Because I
unfortunately,
can't afford to move.
yeah, unfortunately, it's gonna have to be torn down. I'm
I
sorry.
know, but I've been here so long, it's like,
We will help you
I
as
know
much as
it's
we can.
hard, you know.
because for what I pay my rent now, I could never afford to live here in this area. It's too
But there's a lot of government subsidized programs
Yeah.
that you are going to be able to apply.
Yeah, so sometimes you gotta learn how in business to be cold, because yeah, it hurts, to see people crying and to see people that are very emotional about their home. This is their home, but I gotta be, cold about it. I gotta learn how to be cold about it because I'm dealing with those people, those type of people all the time.
She told me
So-
the only thing she's gonna ask you to do to really fix is the paint the bathroom.
I'm okay with fixing it. It is what it is. I deal with the city all the time, so
Okay, well-
we'll fix that and we'll fix here.
Probably the easiest one you've had to do of the three.
Yes, it is.
All right, guys, so let me explain you exactly what's happening with those 3 units that we purchased right here in Van Nuys, California. I'm going to tear down this property. The way I got this property is from a person that wanted a hard money loan, but he couldn't qualify, so I offered him some money. So it's kind of like cash for keys. Get out of the property, give me the property, and I'm going to manage it. And I started managing it. This property meant for a tear down. I'm going to build here 18 units, and we're right about to get approved with the city to get the final permits to tear this down. Now the city came back to me. They wanted to fix some things because obviously this property is really bad condition. So I came here with some contractors. My assistant is here, and everybody's here trying to help me out so we can finish the minor repairs that we have to do in the property. And hopefully we're going to tear it down in 3 months. So if you stay tuned to our show, you're going to see these properties being built as a new 18 units. And that's going to be like a homeless shelter right here in LA County. Razitup.
You can do. They have a business. They have tax returns. You can take
Yeah, good question, Gonzalo. Do you know, can these people go like the bank statement route?
Yeah.
Instead of using tax returns, can they have bank statements? I'm not sure exactly what the rate would be just yet. So
We want to get them the best rate possible, but for us to do it, we need all the information. So is this a hard money? No, you said conventional.
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 It's just it's 3 borrowers, right?
Are they related?
They're related.
Their family?
Yeah,
Okay. How much is the house? What's the value?
that's what they're selling it for.
660.
That's what the loan is. Because someone else is trying to qualify them with 5% down.
Conventional 5%. Interesting. I don't know
Because
if we
the guy
can
who
get
called
them
me-
5%. I would suggest the best thing, if you can, deal with the borrower.
Directly.
Yeah. Raz knows a lot of banks. He does conventional for the last 17 years. He'll know what program we can help them with. So if we can work around it, either with the seller or with them, just we need to see the whole picture so we know what program we can get them approved. We don't want to waste their time or your time.
This property is meant for a good reason. Like, I'm going to tear it down for a good reason because I'm going to help a lot of homeless people right here in LA County. So learn how to be cold in business. It is what it is. If you can do it, then don't do business.